after I finish the video. One, two, oh!
Hey, let's go.
Rosie, what do you think? Do you stay here? Yeah, he's making out. Okay. Hey, y'all. Yeah, I know. You're all so hungry. I'm sorry. And well, you're the one that kept getting out. You could be with your girls, but you kept leaving them. Dumbass effort. Yeah, there's your fresh water. Just finished letting the chickens out and feeding the cats this morning. Came up to check the hot wire, make sure it was working. And then had to make sure she had water, make sure she's doing all right. And now I go down and get some breakfast and caffeine. I also wanted to share this body pillow, modular body pillow setup that I just got. Came in the mail yesterday. It is made by a doctor called Dr. Trigger. He has some amazing inventions for hypermobility and all sorts of other things. I slept on this last night and oh my god, I may have felt like crap, but my body was in much better shape than normal. It was really nice, especially this armrest here that can be moved from side to side. Oh, I love it. And it's all like adjustable. There's different straps to adjust how long you want it and all that fun stuff. So I will also link that down in the description because I'm obsessed, and if you have hypermobility issues or just in general chronic body issues, I highly suggest looking into this. It's not the most cheap thing, but I feel like it is really worth it. These have zippers here so you can take the covers off and wash them, and I'm just obsessed with it. So I will make sure that that is down in the description in case you want to go check it out. I have been really working on trying to take care of my body the best way I can and finding things that make it a lot easier. And right now I've really been focusing on a morning routine because mornings are the hardest for me. So yeah, because with POTS especially, it's very, very common that mornings are rough. Mornings are rough because your body is so used, you know, you've been laying horizontally for hours, and then when you get to go vertical, your body freaks out a bit, you know, and I get a lot of stomach discomfort, nausea, and just an all over ick feeling. For quite a long time I was throwing up almost every morning, sometimes in the middle of the night. It was rough. So I'm incredibly grateful that I don't do that in the mornings now. And I'm just trying my best to keep that momentum and progress going forwards so that I can have better morning. All right, so I just came back in from moving sprinklers. And I also moved my car into the shade because this evening, once it cools down a little bit, we're gonna wash my mom's car and my car so that we can get a lot of the dust out of them, especially mine. Mine needs a thorough deep clean. So it's gonna be, I'll try and get some clips of that this evening if I remember to while we do that. Right now in the house, I am working on laundry and just tidying up, you know, my space really quick. And then we're gonna get into some decluttering and organizing. So, I am so tired. I also wanted to give a quick update for those who are interested with my bathroom renovation. We are currently kind of at a pause because everybody got busy and we just don't have the time or the availability to really work on the bathroom right now. And anyways, we still need to pick up a new green board piece to put on this wall. As I had said before, some mold decided to start growing. We've sprayed it with bleach like crazy and all that. So it's safe for now, but we really need to get it changed out. The shower itself, though, is oops, I need to zoom out. There we go. Doing pretty good. I cleaned it the other day and it's doing pretty darn good. So, yeah, I'm obsessed with my washer dryer, and we still need to kind of figure this all out and redo the wallpaper here because the spray adhesive that I was using just did not work. I think I talked about it in a previous video, but yeah, we got actual wallpaper paste this time, so hopefully it will stay once we put it back up. But yeah, I think that's gonna kind of become more of a fall project for us with harvest starting here, I mean, in the next week. Maybe soon, very soon. because it's ready to cut. Things are ready to cut and harvest, so we're gearing up for that right now, and finishing up our hay season. So yeah, a lot of these big inside projects, like my closet here, are gonna be more of a fall thing for us, because I think I've shown this before, but this, it needs fixed, and I really don't enjoy it to begin with. It works for now, but my plan is to just build a full custom wood closet for myself, so that everything has a cubby, everything has a place, and it's easy to put away and see everything at the same time, because my ADHD ass needs that. So yeah, we're just gonna do what we can today. I'm trying to take it easy just because of how much I've been working in the heat lately. My body really it needs a break. I woke up this morning and it was like, oh fuck, I ain't doing much today, that's for sure. So it is what it is, but it all happens for a reason, and I'm excited to make some more progress on the inside of my house right now, because I'm tired of it. All right, everybody, so it is later in the day. I did not get to film very much, and honestly I didn't really get much done either. Just kind of tidied up but I could. I've got a load of laundry done. I was just sorting my clothes over there, and then this is my swimsuit from going to the beach, which you will see at the beginning of this video. And I've got another load going. Oh, it just finished, so I need to switch to dry. I do them separately because it seems to work better and get things drier better without like shrinking or having any other issues. So I've been doing that, and I made myself some lunch. My mom brought down a start from her Christmas cactus that I'm gonna put together and maybe have those to sell too when we do our our pumpkin patch thing. Miss Katie found her mouse that I washed. She is very happy to have her catnip mouse back, aren't you, baby? Yes. You love your little mouse. You're so cute. Oh, big yawn. Goodness, baby. You've done so much today. You did so much work. Yeah. You slept in the window, and then you came down and wanted treats, and you didn't get treats, so then you did your little fit, and you went back to the window, and then Grandma came down, and you hung out with Grandma, and then you found your mouse. It's been such a busy day for you, huh? Yeah. Oh, you're so cute. Aw. Okay, so that is about where I'm at. I am incredibly tired and exhausted. I didn't think I was gonna get much done today, and I'm about right. I don't know if I showed, I just recently got myself a nice new toy to clean with. I absolutely love this thing. I've used it on the couch and the carpet in front of the couch so far. It's definitely made a difference. I still need to go over them again a couple times just because it's been, I think the last time we shampooed the carpets was at least a year ago, maybe longer. So and the furniture has, like, I'd maybe done once the entire time I've lived here in this house, and that's shit, about 4 years. So it is well overdue, and I'm so happy to have this. It's small, but it is powerful, and I love it. And you on your circle now? Your safety spot? Meow. What do you think, baby? Are you gonna come say hi? Yeah? I'm the pretty girl. Oh, look at the pretty girl. Alright, so, I don't even know where to start. I have been working on editing this video as I'm filming it. The previous clips I've gotten uploaded and put into my project, and so yeah, oh yes, I need to get this stuff out of here. This was a board that I used to do Karen's birthday sign. So I had just literally taped a happy birthday banner across it and just propped it up. I don't know if I'm gonna hold on to it because I don't really think I've got a place I can store it very easily, but I mean, it's something that's pretty easy to remake if I need to, but anyways. And then it's the box for my new printer, but it has my old printer in it. So I need to get that out of here. This laundry basket is also full of donations. The stuff on top of the printer box is all stuff that just needs to go back up to the other house. And then I have another box here full of some donation items. So we are making progress in the decluttering front. But, oh my lord, I am just so tired today. I think I'm kind of gonna give myself a bit of a break, give myself some grace, and just relax today, because I've gone hard like almost every single day this last week and even this whole last month. So I'm just gonna take it slow today, and I probably will pick this back up tomorrow. Because we have a family reunion, but I'm not gonna go this year because, again, I'm exhausted. And okay, well, I figured I'd take you guys out with me to move sprinklers here. I already moved one of them. This is the last one I gotta move. So we got all that corn and the pumpkins that are back behind it done. And I just got this section, and now I'm coming out to get the rest of this. Hopefully. I really wish there was an easier way to keep up on all of the land management. It's just, you know, having all this dead weeds and everything it's just, it's not the most appealing to look at, and so much of it like has just been sitting here for so long and hasn't been used, or it's just falling apart, and like we don't necessarily need it or use it anymore because, you know, things have changed. We've grown and redirected on many different projects and ideas, and it's just stuff that, like, you know, you forget to get back to and finish up and all of that. So I mean, we've definitely made efforts, but number one, when it's this hot out, it is so hard to get things done and not pass out. And on top of it, there's just so much more to having a property like this that the to-do list is a mile long, and every day you check some things off and you add more because you find more things that need to get done. There is never a shortage of work to do on a farm. And don't get me wrong, it's nice, but